not try anything you're about to see at home. I am not what they call a professional. Hey, thanks for setting your web browser to YouTube and specifically setting it to Wee Fergie. Yep. Thanks for this new video. We're going to be going over some of the stuff that didn't get a chance to get covered in some of the other videos. Just little minor odds and ends, like me pulling my shirt down, tucking in my gut. Little things like that. Anyway, sit back, relax, and it's going to be a little quickie, but there's a special feature at the end. Make sure you stay tuned. And one of the updates I was going to talk to you about was that you saw in the beginning. I didn't realize that when I installed the quick lift system from Redline, see, I thought you had to forcibly push the hood down. No, you just kind of put one hand on it, guide it down, and all of a sudden it'll take off and it'll go down all by itself and shut nice and tight. So that's pretty slick. One of the things I didn't really talk about in the earlier ones is that it comes with this really slick trunk organizer that slides on the carpet. Here, watch the camera shake while I reach in and grab it. See, it slides right out. And it's got that handy little net you put on, and it comes with the Nissan Emergency Road Kit and the Nissan First Aid Kit. But I put an emergency raincoat, rain slicker, rain windbreaker, and one of them little portable car jumpers I put in there. And that little thing holds everything in place. And one of the things that I'm sure a lot of you car owners, we'll get to that in a second here, are used to seeing as a very common accessory is the small item cargo net. Well, you ever notice sometimes when you're trying to take stuff out of the trunk, it gets in the way, and it's kind of a pain in the butt. Well, Nissan, in their alternate wisdom, has a little trick. And if my tripod mount didn't break, I'd show it to you. Instead, we're going to have to do the magic of the television part. And you probably saw it in that other shot, but look, Nissan makes it come with this little pouch, and you just unclip it from the passenger side, and it just rolls right up into that little pouch. It takes a couple of minutes to install the whole system. You got to pop out a couple of those mounting brackets and put some new ones in, but it's no big deal. What is a big deal is that, yeah, I got to get the vacuum out and vacuum my trunk. Oh, what a mess. And while we're in the trunk, Nissan adds a pair of these handy-dandy little bag hangers. They're pretty slick, and it keeps stuff from sliding all around the back of your trunk. One of the real common aftermarket goodies, and something that a lot of people bought first, it was one of the first things I bought, and that is the gas cap holder. Well, Nissan bless their little hearts. Yes, it's the gas cap holder that's built into the gas cap lid hinge. Here, allow me to demonstrate. Twist off your gas cap. Yeah, there's the little thingy, but you know, it just clips right in there. And there it is. No gas hanging out, dripping onto your paint. And it's right there, and it's easy. So that was pretty nice of Nissan to go ahead and include that as standard equipment. You like the lighting, huh? Well, it is what it is. Sorry. I need to warm things up just a little. Anyway, we have here the coveted Rob Motive sticker that we will be affixing to the rear window of the Altima. Just like that. So it's important that your glass be clean, since that's where I'm going to be putting it. I am not sponsored. I get no money for this. This is Windex streak-free with vinegar. That seems to work pretty good. And we'll be doing it twice. Once with the traditional terry cloth microfiber, and then once with a DuPont aviation grade wipe. This is the best stuff. It's great. So join along as we get to work here. Okay, you probably can't see them here, but this is the last line of where the defroster grid is. So we don't want to be putting the sticker up there. It'll fit right in there. Yeah, see, we don't want the heat screwing anything up. So, one last thing we do before we're actually ready. Okay, to make sure it's absolutely clean, we put a little bit of rubbing alcohol on a cotton swab. Rub it in there till it's good and squeaky. Yeah, say hi to the folks at home, or not. Yeah, good boy. Well, we had some difficulty with the camera. I don't know if I didn't push record, didn't push it hard enough. Anyway, I wasn't about to take the sticker off just to show you me sticking it on, but there it is, the official Rob Motive YouTube channel sticker, proudly displayed. And there you can see the defroster grids, proudly displayed on the back of the Altima. Yay, Rob Motive. Okay then, so as always, thanks for watching. Please click subscribe, like, leave a comment. See you in the next one.